Hello everyone, I am Prerna Kansibail. Today we will be solving few more questions from 2025 PYQ on the continuity and differentiability topic. If y is given, we have to find out its derivative. So how do we find out derivative? If y is given, dy by dx will be, first we differentiate the numerator. What is differentiation of cos x? Minus sin x into, we write the denominator as it is, 1 plus sin x, minus differentiation of the denominator is cos x into numerator is written as it is, divided by, it is the square of the denominator, that is 1 plus sin x whole square. Now if I simplify this, what happens? Minus sin x plus into minus is minus sin square x minus cos square x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. See this numerator. Here sin square x plus cos square x, we know about the identity. So what I can do, I can take out minus common from these two. It will become sin square x plus cos square x, that is 1. So what happens to the numerator? It will be minus sin x minus 1. If I take out minus common from that, it will be 1 plus sin x divided by 1 plus sin x whole square. So in denominator we have two terms, I can cancel out 1, so it will be minus 1 divided by 1 plus sin x. So this is in which option? In option A. So A is correct here. So we have got about A now. Next, so B is cancelled out, we have got A. We have C and D, two different options also, which is having secant square functions. So we will try to reduce this. There is an identity where 1 plus sin x is written as, numerator remains the same, 1 plus sin x is written as cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. There is a proof for this which is not needed for your exams right now. So just remember 1 plus sin x is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole square. Now since I need pi by 4 term, what I will do? I will multiply 2 for this denominator. Multiply and divide 2. What I will do? I am multiplying 2. I have to divide 2. So what I will do? I will take here 1 by root 2. We have whole square, right? So 1 by root 2 whole square will give me 1 by 2. So if I cancel out 2 and 2, I will get back the same term here. So I am multiplying 1 by root 2 inside this square term. 1 by root 2 sin x by 2 whole square. Now you can see here we have 1 by root 2 here also, here also. So for what angle do we get 1 by root 2 as the value for both sin and cos? We know for angle pi by 4 we get 1 by root 2, correct? Cos pi by 4 gives me 1 by root 2, sin pi by 4 gives me 1 by root 2. So if I use that angle and write here cos pi by 4 into cos x by 2 plus sin pi by 4 into sin x by 2. It will be in the form of cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So what is that? It is cos a minus b, correct? 2 into, it will be cos a minus b, that is cos, what will be my a value? In the starting I have pi by 4, so that is my a, pi by 4, minus what is my b value? X by 2. This is for this under bracket terms, but we have square also, so what happens? It will become square here. So if I write down minus 1 by 2 separately, 1 by cos square is what? Secant square. So secant square of pi by 4 minus x by 2. So this is in which option? In C. So both A and C are correct now. Which is that option? Option C is correct. Both A and C are correct. Moving to the next question. If y is given as a sin cube t, x is a cos cube t, find dy by dx. So how do you find out dy by dx? By applying the chain rule. How do you find now dy by dx? Y is a function of t. So I am differentiating y with respect to t, divided by x is also a function of t. So differentiate x also with respect to t. Simplifying this, I will get back dy by dx. So what is dy by dt? Differentiating y with respect to t. A is constant. What is differentiation of sin cube t? It is 3 sin square t into differentiation of sin x is cos t. Correct? Divided by differentiating x. So a is constant. What is differentiation of cos cube t? It is 3 cos cube t. Differentiation of cos cube t is 3 cos square t. A is constant into differentiation of cos x is what? Minus sin t. If I simplify this, what do I get? 3a gets cancelled, 1 sine gets cancelled here and 1 cos gets cancelled. So I'll be left with sine by cos. Sine by cos is tan. I have minus, so it is minus tan t. This is my dy by dx. But they have asked for what value of t? 3 pi by 4. That is minus tan of 3 pi by 4 value is asked. If you know directly what is the value of 3 pi by 4, substitute directly. But what is the step for solving value of 3 pi by 4? So how do we write 3 pi by 4? I can write it as minus tan pi minus pi by 4. That is in the form of pi minus theta. So pi minus theta means which quadrant? It will be in the second quadrant. Here tan is, it will be in this quadrant, correct? Here tan is negative. So what happens to this? Minus tan becomes negative. So minus tan of pi minus theta gives me theta. That is pi by 4. So what is value of pi by 4? It is 1. So minus 1. Minus of minus 1 is 1. So this will become equal to 1. So this value is 1. So it is in which option? Option D. The next question. The derivative of sin x with respect to log x. So since we have two different functions, we will consider them to be different values. I will consider y as sin x and z as log x. Now, what they have told, derivative of sin x, that means y, with respect to log x, that is z. Again, I can apply chain rule here because y is also a function of x, z is also a function of x. So it is dy by dx divided by dz by dx. So what is dy by dx? Differentiating y with respect to x is derivative of sin x. What is derivative of sin x? It is cos x divided by, what is derivative of log x with respect to x? 1 by x. So this will become equal to x cos x. So which option do we have, x cos x? Option B is the correct answer. Hope you have understood these questions. Follow Maths Excite for more exam tricks and PYQs.